Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Virginia. I make new videos every week on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit my subscribe button down below and that notification bell so you'll be updated on all the new goodies and videos that I post. For today's look, I thought I would bring you guys along with me and show you guys how I get my makeup and my hair done for work. If you want to see how I put together with this simple hair and makeup routine, then go ahead and keep watching. Let's go ahead and get started with this video. So I'm just going to start off with my brows. NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Espresso. I'm just going to comb these brows with the spoolie. My eyebrows grow so fast. I feel like whenever I get them done, like I need them done like the week, like right after. But I think I can stretch my brows for just a little bit more. I'm just gonna take the brow pencil and just use light short strokes to create brow. Alrighty, brows are done. I wanna go ahead and prime my face with my Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer, hydrating one. So this is the type of makeup look I would do if COVID wasn't happening. So I don't wear makeup. I don't wear makeup to work because of the mask. It just saves me a lot of time in the morning to get ready for work. I'm gonna go ahead and go with my L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation in the shade 460. So as I said, I returned back to work this past week. I work at Vera Bradley, and so we had a Harry Potter launch this weekend, and it did really well, especially Friday and Saturday at the location that I work in Dallas. On Thursday, when the collection released, the site crashed. I guess that's a good thing. Everybody wanted like Harry Potter things. I bought a blanket, a cosmetic bag, and just a mini notebook. I just wanted just like a piece or two from the collection. It's just a cute novelty print. So, and a lot of it is already sold out. So that collection did pretty well, if I say so myself. A lot of phone orders. So the phone was just constantly ringing, which is a good thing. So foundation is on. Go ahead and retry the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. It is a matte finish, so because it was a little bit drying for me in my last video, but I'll just give it a go. But I haven't gone to like Ulta or Target to pick up the hydrating one, but I might like that one better. Until I have a breakout here, so I'm not going to drag the concealer all the way there because I do not want to highlight that spot at all. I don't want to accentuate it. It's already out there as is. So I'm just going to pounce this concealer underneath my eye. And just a little graze on the side of my nose. Oh, before I was starting this video, I got a package from Shutterfly, you know, where you create like the photo books and things like that. So all of quarantine, I was working on that with my mom from like our Scandinavian trip from like 2 years ago. So we finally got it done. You know, we had the time. So that was another thing that kept me busy during the whole lockdown. So I can't wait to open it up. I've already used Shutterfly a couple of times already from past trips and for like mom's birthday and things like that. So I'm already like familiar with editing it and things like that, but it's really not that hard once you get used to it. Okay, well, that concealer went on well the second time. I don't know what I did the first time, but we'll see how it plays out the rest of this video. But it blended out fine, but we'll see. Alrighty, a Real Techniques brush and just lightly set my T-zone with some Laura Mercier translucent powder. I said in my last video, I do like a very, very slight hint of powder underneath my eyes, especially with that e.l.f. concealer. It's already mattifying, but I just don't want it to crease on my under eye, so I'm just lightly setting whatever's left over. Alright, Teddy. Alright, Teddy, alright. I'm gonna go ahead and bronze my face with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Deep Bronzer. I can get this sucker. I always love smelling that bronzer. It smells like tropical paradise. So I'm just gonna take a Morphe angled brush and just hit it my cheekbones. If I wasn't talking, I can get this done in probably like 5-10 minutes. For highlight, I'm gonna take the Dose of Colors Mirame highlight. It's like a rose gold highlight. I'm just gonna take a fan brush. This is by Billion Dollar Brushes. I believe I got it in my Ipsy Glam bag. So I'm just gonna hit the high points of my cheeks. And be careful with this highlight. It is very potent in a good way. Like, I'm a highlight girl. Like, I'll just pack it on, pack it on. Top of my nose, down the bridge of my nose, Cupid's lip. I mean, Cupid's bow. Cupid's bow. Blush, I'm going to take this Dome Cosmetics in the shade English Rose. It's a pretty color. Just gonna take another Morphe brush. I think this is the Morphe Jaclyn Hill, like powder brush, something like that. I'll link everything down below in my description box in case y'all wanna check those products out yourself. This blush is really pigmented. Just use a very small amount. Use my bronzer and highlight together with this blush. Oh my gosh. Right, T, so the face is done. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyes. I'm just gonna take a liquid felt tip black liner and just give myself a cat eye, like a wing liner. Oh, I forgot, you guys. Speaking of the Vera Bradley Harry Potter launch, let me know, what house are you? Gryffindor, Ravenclaw, what is it? Hufflepuff, and then Slytherin. I took that Harry Potter quiz and they teamed me up with Team Gryffindor. I don't really have a house preference, but I think my first place was Gryffindor, 2 was Hufflepuff, no, and then 3 was Ravenclaw, and 4 was Slytherin. So my co-workers like Ravenclaw, so let me know down in the comments below, what is your house? Is on. Haven't done a wing liner in a hot minute, so I was having problems with it. So just kind of ignore this side of my eye. I like my left side better than my right eye. It's not even, so just pretend it's even. Pretend it's even. I have my days if I want to put lashes at work, but to be honest, I don't. I just curl it and put mascara on. Righty, mascara is on. We are almost done with this look, so I'm gonna go ahead and set my brows. Go ahead and set my brows. I'm gonna use the NYX tinted brow mascara in the shade Espresso. I'm just gonna fluff these guys. And then I usually do my everyday brown lip. I used it in my last video, my summer sweat proof makeup look. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with the Too Faced Hangover RX 3-in-1 primer and setting spray. While that sets, I'm just gonna go ahead and use the Fresh Sugar Caramel Hydrating Lip Balm. This is a travel size. This is a trial size. It smells really nice too. Alright, you guys, so that is the makeup portion of this video. I'm just gonna show you guys how I style my hair. So, because I usually just like let it air dry, let it just do its thing, but for work, I just want to be more polished, more clean. So let's go ahead and move to my bathroom and I'll show you guys how I blow my hair. Alright, you guys, so let's go ahead and get started with the hair. I just have this microfiber hair towelette thing, wet brush. Yeah, I'm just gonna brush this hair out. You wanna make sure you start at the bottom and not from the top of your hair, so you just don't bring all those knots and tangles down with you. Then you're just gonna break your hair more. So just be careful with your hair. Be gentle with it. So I do use a heat protectant, and I also use an oil. And the two that I use, my OG Tresemme Keratin Smooth, I use that guy. Brazilian Shine Light Nourishing Oil, this one here. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and use the oil. It's gonna take just a little bit because I have short hair. I don't want it to weigh my hair down. So I'm just gonna put that, I wanna put the oil on my ends where it gets dry and rough dry my hair using my Chi hair dryer. I've had it for a long time and it still hasn't broken down on me yet. Go ahead and rough dry my hair, probably like 70–75%, and then I'm gonna use another tool to more style it out. Watch me under the light. Alright you guys, so I just rough dried my hair. To style my hair, I'm gonna use my Revlon styler, all-in-one hair styler, this one. Y'all already know what it's about. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just section my hair. And I'm gonna take my clip, wherever the heck I put it. Oh my God, it is right in front of me. Close your eyes, follow the sound. Keep it coming. So like that, so it's just gonna give my hair kind of like a blowout look. So I'm just gonna do this for the rest of my hair and I'll be right back. So shine on, lose your spot, show me what you got, let your colors burn. Alright, so I just finished blow drying my hair with my Revlon One Step Styler. I didn't even really try that hard. Styler just does everything for you. Turn the speed to cool, just so that it can set my hair. This is the finished hair look. I like how much volume it just gave my hair by using the Revlon One Step Styler tool. So that's how I style my hair, especially with my short hair. Other than that, that is my video. As I said, this is my go-to makeup and hair look that I would wear to work. I just like this look. It's very sleek, it's polished, it's simple, and you can conquer any day with this look. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit that bell, and give my video a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.